Today I'm going to show you the things that I got from the workshop. First, Alien 101. He is not dangerous. Never mind. To the next one. Alien.
I'm going to kill him.
Die.
Sorry.
Ops to the next one. I'm bad at aim. A dummy. I'm not going to use melon now. To the next one. Alien drone. Next is curse corn.
Hello.
To the next one. Mutant melon. I killed him because he's dangerous. Subscribe. Anyway, to the next one. Alien gun. This is better. To the next one. It's gray melon. To the next one. Generator. I gave it to Among Us.
Among Us.
To the next one, I guess. It's a ball house. There's even a corn. Die corn. Anyway, bye-bye.